Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make the number 30 in many different ways. And we can call that partitioning, or putting a number into two different pieces. Sometimes I like to say pulling it apart into two. So first I'm going to get 3 rods because I know that that makes 30. I can count 10, 20, 30. And then I'm going to split it into two, or partition it, so that I have 10 and then 20. I'm going to make sure I still have 30 there. I didn't add or take any away, so I should still have 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay, good. So I have 10 and 20, 10, 20 over here, and 10 over here. Another way I could make 30 is I could trade this 10 rod in for 10 cubes, and that can help me make it in many different ways. So for example, right now I still have 20 and 10, but I could move 5 cubes over, and now I have 5 on this side and 25 on this side. That's another way to make 30. And if I move another cube over, I have 4 and 26. That's another way to make 30. And if I move my 10 over here, then I end up with 16 and 14 makes 30. And if I move these guys over here, I have 11. And if I count over here, I have 11. There's many ones over here, so I want to make sure I'm saying the proper amount. I think I'm going to make them look like a 10 frame because that will help me see automatically how many cubes I have. So I'm going to put 5 at the top, and then I'm going to put 4 at the bottom. So right away I can see I have 19. So that means 11 and 19 makes 30. There are many ways to make 30. I want to change my number to a bigger number. So I've decided to partition the number 64. So I have to make sure I have the proper amount before I start partitioning. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's 6 in the tens place. 61, 62, 63, 64. That's 4 in the ones place. 64. Okay, right now I don't even have to move anything, and I already have this number partitioned. I have 60 on this side and 4 on this side. So 60 and 4 makes 64. Now if I move one of my rods over here, now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 14. I know this is 14 because I can see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I can continue moving my rods over and continue making different ways, showing different ways to make 64. Now I have 40 and 24. That makes 64. Now if I move a rod over to here, and I take 2 ones over here, can you see what I have? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. 32 plus 32 makes 64. 3 tens plus 3 tens makes 60. 2 ones plus 2 ones makes 4. 64. Can you think of another way to make 64?